Meet the Plush Squeaky pet dog toys designed for both small and large dogs. These toys feature a soft, plush exterior that makes them comfortable for pets to chew, while the built-in squeaker captures their attention for hours of play. Their size options cater to different breeds, helping to keep dogs engaged and stimulated. Whether for a puppy or a bigger dog, these toys offer a durable and safe way to satisfy chewing instincts. Regular play with these toys can also support dental health and encourage active lifestyles, making them a practical addition to any pet owner's home.